The Asian summer monsoon has long been known as a weather system, but only recently has its role in atmospheric composition come to be explored. This time-lapse animation shows carbon monoxide during the 2022 Asian summer monsoon as simulated by NCAR's Multi-Scale Infrastructure for Chemistry and Aerosols, or MUSICA model. The result clearly highlights the impact of the monsoon on the composition of the upper troposphere and lower stratosphere. The confinement of pollution in the monsoon's anticyclonic flow pattern, as well as its transport to the surrounding regions, can be clearly seen in the animation. A side view shows the role of individual convective towers filling the anticyclone with polluted air, which is transported from the Asian boundary layer below. After being lofted by convection, these polluted air masses may be further transported to the stratosphere, where they may have implications for changing the composition of the global atmosphere, including the depletion of ozone. To examine this mechanism in detail, the chemical and aerosol makeup of these polluted air masses were the target of an airborne field campaign, the Asian Summer Monsoon Chemical and Climate Impact Project, or ACCLIP, which sampled over the Western Pacific during summer 2022. ACCLIP observations are essential for verifying the monsoon's impacts on atmospheric composition predicted by our simulations, and serve as a valuable testbed for ongoing unified modeling efforts at NCAR.